This guy says, I am a boy and I am in love with a beautiful gay. She looks like a girl, but she doesn't have that.
What?
Oh goodness.
Do you think a cross-dresser can find a girlfriend for himself?
What?
A cross-dresser.
For the way we're getting so westernized, I don't think that is a problem at all.
I don't have anything against gay people or lesbian people.
Do you know what a cross-dresser is?
I think I've seen a few people here already like that.
What do they think? Men or women? Who is more intelligent?
Boys, of course.
No, good.
Controversial topic.
Guy could be like good at one thing that a girl isn't, and a girl could be good at one thing that a guy isn't.
Because we always outsmart the girls.
A girl or a guy doesn't really matter. It depends on the human being.
Women are more emotional, so that kind of, I think, sometimes interferes with their smartness or their intelligence. Yeah.
But in certain aspects, a guy knows certain things more than a girl does, and a girl knows certain things more than a guy.
So girls are dumb according to you?
Not dumb, I don't categorize them dumb, but they're not as smart as guys.
Hello and welcome back to Quick Reaction Team. I'm your host Pranoy, and this time we have taken your comments to the streets of Hyderabad. We got some crazy quick reactions like every time. So sit back and enjoy this video till the very end. Guys, please tell me, I am a boy and I'm in love with a beautiful gay. She looks like a girl, but she doesn't have that.
Oh my god.
Never came across such girls.
I don't know. I think he should go see a doctor.
So a transgender. So
Probably a transgender. It's very weird, dude. But, so what do you want me to say?
I don't know. That depends on. I mean, that's a very subjective question.
well, if he loves her enough, I guess it's fine.
What's the question exactly?
His problem is maybe he's in love with a beautiful gay, and maybe his concern
Okay,
is...
he wanted him to be a girl.
It's not that important at this age.
Okay, so he's in love with her appearance, but he's not in love with the person she is, and he wants more than that. More than just the outer
I think
appearance.
that he's not in love with her.
Yeah,
He's just
not
in love with her appearance.
Search for a proper girl.
He wanted to have that guy, that thing, which he wanted.
What thing?
See, being in love with a guy, that's up to him. See, because but it's that, he's feeling that he doesn't have the.
You have it, right? Satisfy yourself, man.
I'm wondering if it's a girl he's referring to or a guy.
It's probably a girl without it.
Beautiful gay.
Without it?
What?
A girl without it?
I don't even know what it is.
Package.
Gosh, Jordan.
If you think if somebody doesn't have that, you are in not love with that person.
Maybe that's only infatuation or something else.
Would you suggest
That's
him
not
to
love.
stay with this guy?
No.
I think this guy should continue and still be in love with this beautiful gay.
Because he wants that thing, right?
Which thing?
That's what he said. She doesn't have the thing.
What do you think? What is he referring to? What is this that thing?
You should ask him.
The charm.
I don't know.
I think the charm,
I
yeah.
think he's referring to the charm.
Should be, yeah. As of now, yeah.
You can go for the, surgery or something like that if you really want to stick to that person. If not, then, just dump her and him or whatever. Just
Don't know.
And that is his problem. That is his concern. That she doesn't have that. That is his worry.
That thing, I don't know what thing he's talking about. I don't know which thing he's talking about, but that's the thing.
What thing?
That's the thing.
Are you showing them?
Yeah, that's the thing.
If it's a gay, if he's a gay, this person is a gay, then it might be the male sexual organ, and this person, the person he's in love with, might be operated. So yeah, that can be one thing. So I guess that's the nearest possibility that I can think of.
Sexuality is too.
Coming from a girl, she says boys can't love a hairy or a fat girl.
That's not true because I know a lot of people who actually do love hairy or fat girls.
Hairy, I think.
You're imagining?
No, I'm just thinking,
We are not sure actually.
I don't think you're fat or hairy.
Hairy or fat girl.
I mean, it depends on the way you're brought up and all that stuff. If you're in a dream world and you think that girls are, perfect and all that stuff, then obviously you will have that opinion. But obviously that's not the case all the time.
She's a girl at the end of the day. Yeah, she's a girl. She's a girl.
Hairy, I would mind. Fat I wouldn't, of course.
Basically, I believe that men should accept a woman for who they are. Yeah. And you'd probably be surprised by who she is personally and love her for who she is instead of the way she looks.
I love a hairy fat girl. Yes.
You should
Yeah.
be the inspiration to
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Even he does. Yeah.
I don't think I don't think it matters. I mean, if it's just about looks, then it's not really the thing.
Definitely not. It's guys who don't go with the looks. It definitely, yeah. It's all about how loyal you are to them.
So what do girls prefer? A guy with nice nature or guys with good looks or guys with loads of money?
I have nice nature and no money, so I answer the question.
Like it depends on how old you are. Like our age, it's like looks, and then old, yeah.
Depends on the person, I guess. Some people like money.
It's all personality.
Nice nature and good looks.
Good looks.
Money, not that much matter.
I can earn my money, I think.
Good nature.
Good nature. The other two goes along.
This guy says, please ask a girl that would she date a cross dresser. Apparently, maybe this guy is a cross dresser. So, would you guys date a guy who's a cross dresser?
No, I won't.
No, definitely not.
No, definitely not. The reason because see, I'll tell you why. There are hell lot of guys out there. Okay, definitely she would. I mean, she deserves something else, yeah, something better. What do you say? Why would you want someone to act like a gay? Yeah, come on.
If you find a wild girl, then why not? I mean, you gotta keep your hopes up. I mean, yeah, don't lose on your hopes. Just do what you want, and I'm sure you'll find someone. If not, then just you have alcohol, you have good friends, just go for it.
Oh, because I want to be the one that dresses up girly, not
the guy.
not the guy,
I want to be the female, but in an experiment where I'm gonna
and not be in competition
Yeah.
with him.
not gonna have a competition with him. But if
Look nice.
but if we just want to play around and have fun, yeah, fine, we can do it in our own space, but not where he generally dresses up for his
It would
own
be
kind of
embarrassing.
thing. Yeah, it's embarrassing.
Another guy, he says, I am broken heart. I just broke up with my girlfriend. And how do I console myself? How can I make myself feel strong? Like, how to overcome this?
Give it some time, eat, drink, smoke up, whatever you like.
Tell him to hold on there, cry as much as you want, just lock yourself in the room and cry and finish it up and just come out and it's over.
Have a couple of drinks.
Okay.
You should be good next day.
Suggest him some really cool drinks. Nice drinks.
Go with old monk.
Yeah, but it takes some time, you know. Get busy in some other activities, then it will be easy to move on.
I would say just move on, and I mean you can get a better girl than her.
Get drunk, sing a song which is Whiskey Lullaby.
Just come down to hard cup, man. You have a beer or something. I mean, drink it out. It just takes a while.
Time is the best healer. You should just wait.
You should just wait.
Yeah, you'll get over it. Everybody gets over everybody. People die every day.
I don't know. I think you should go for shopping. That's what I'm going to do.
I guess drinking.
yeah.
That's what usually guys do. So yeah.
Yeah, I think I'll agree with her. The only reason is because I've been in that. I am still in that phase. Okay.
Sorry, I couldn't get
I'm still in that phase. I'm broke up and then I'm drinking.
Chilling.
Yeah, chilling. Just chilling. Enjoy life. Life
won't
is
become a gajni.
no, never.
Yeah, all the time. The next step is going to be more beautiful and better than the.
Do you think you should be looking for another girl?
Of course, yeah, of course, definitely.
And not stay sad and
Here to not, of course, not. Human is on earth to enjoy, no? So yeah, exactly. He has somebody there waiting for him, so just tell him to not be disappointed and just keep hope.
Check out some of the best QRT videos by clicking right here. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. To get all our fresh videos first on YouTube, click the subscribe button right here. And if you're watching this video for the very first time, please tell us where are you from and do subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our Instagram page to see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot. Do the regular like and share on Facebook by searching for Quick Reaction Team. I will see you guys next Tuesday 4 p.m. Goodbye.
Why do girls run behind rich guys?
एक मिनट कट करो यार इसको.
This is, Kaliyug.
It helps you break the bed. तन की शक्ति बन की शक्ति कौन बेटा?
ताकत.
More energy, I guess.
Energy, like a tree.